Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.